Well, greetings everyone. Thank you so much for your time, and what a great honor it is to present at the 100th Greater New York Dental Meeting. I wanted to share some research that we did where we wanted to explore and see, can 3D printed zirconia be an alternative for anterior restoration, specifically crowns and veneers. So we utilized a simulated patient case where we had one anterior tooth prep for a crown, and we also had another. So we went with the 3D printed zirconia root on one and the traditional milled zirconia root on the other. We also had the opportunity to explore veneers, so we did 6 printed veneers through zirconia and 6 milled veneers. What you see here is the STL file of the design of the anterior crown, and this is the one of the veneer. In terms of materials, the 3D printed zirconia was done with Lithicon 3Y210. This is from our partners at Lithos. And in terms of the milled traditional zirconia, this was with the Bruxer monolithic zirconia. This is the 3D printed zirconia anterior crown. We can see the 3 different views in contrast to the milled zirconia crown that was arbitrarily stained. And this is the 3D printed veneer in contrast to the milled veneer. And what we have is a comparison. We have the 3D printed crown on the left versus the milled on the right. And here we have the reverse. We have the milled veneer versus the printed veneer. In terms of acceptable and unacceptable criteria, we could see how things summarize. However, we should stress that there's no statistical difference. However, this approach does bring a lot to the table in terms of efficiency, reducing the cost, increasing the accessibility, and improving the sustainability. So something to really look forward to. I'll be there to have any questions, but feel free to scan this and reach out and contact me, and I'm happy to discuss this further. Thank you for your time.